Hi there. Will the month of September be a big month for the cryptocurrency market? What do you think? Do you think September is gonna be the point in time at which we're gonna see a sustained bullish reversal in the cryptocurrency market? Drop your comment down below. Let's discuss there in details. But personally, I think the month of September is gonna be big for the cryptocurrency market. As you're gonna see in this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 reasons as to why that is most likely gonna be the case. You are all much welcomed to the Money Daily YouTube channel with me, Afagza Sifuna. By the way, I really appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. It really helps the channel to grow. Having said that, if you are a cryptocurrency enthusiast, you have seen that the past 1 year hasn't been easy for the cryptocurrency market. We're talking about the entire cryptocurrency market taking a huge tumble in price. Because speaking right now, the aggregate cryptocurrency market capitalization is just under $1 trillion US. And yet, we're talking about a market whose aggregate market cap just under 1 year ago was upwards of $2 trillion US. And of course, the biggest or the most dominant cryptocurrencies out there have taken the huge hit, of which also it's been actually had that domino effect on other alternative coins. To give you an example, Bitcoin in November of last year was going at over 65k US. Right now, we're talking about Bitcoin going at about 20k US. That, by the way, is a huge dip in price because we're talking about a 70% reduction in price. Nevertheless, if you are a believer of cryptocurrency, you have been an investor over multiple years, you realize that the cryptocurrency market operates in cycles, right? We have those constant increase in prices, dips, but over time, the moving average of it that the cryptocurrency prices increase and increase. Even though there's those moments whereby there's a very crazy bullish run in the market, then there's other times where we have that huge tumble in price, talking about a bearish run in the market. And by the way, the bearish run we've witnessed this year has been, I think, one of the longest. What do you think? I think it's been one of the longest bearish runs ever in the cryptocurrency market. But I'm very positive with these 5 pointers I'm about to share with you. The cryptocurrency market might just be on to a good direction the last quarter of this year. Having said that, what are the 5 pointers? First pointer is that this last quarter of the year, starting September, is when we're gonna see advancements or release of different developments in different cryptocurrencies out there. And just to give you all a few examples, right? First in line, we're talking about Ethereum. In Ethereum front, we're gonna see the merge happening mid of September, whereby in essence, it's gonna be a more effective way at which Ethereum is mined and also effective way with which transactions are done. In essence, ensuring there's less and less utilization of energy in mining this cryptocurrency. And by this, it's gonna roll out a new protocol, whereby we're talking of moving from the proof of work protocol to the proof of stake. And with this, it's gonna be a game changer. And that's the case because out here, guys, we have multiple cryptocurrencies and multiple alternative coins being anchored on the Ether ecosystem. So with these advancements in the Ethereum front, most likely it's going to have a ripple effect in other cryptocurrencies out there, which by the way is going to be a good thing. And another example, also on the front of Cardano, we're talking about the Vasil fork coming live sometime in September. And by the way, the CEO of Cardano entire network actually confirmed this a few days ago. So you're talking about these big cryptocurrencies out there and even other alternative coins having series of release in developments happening this last quarter. And it's more exciting because commencement of this is going to commence sometime in September, which actually is going to herald great things to happen in the last quarter of the year. What do you think? Which development which is in pipeline is actually exciting to you? Which release are you expecting? Which advancement in a network out there are you expecting? Okay? And then the second reason as to why this last quarter starting September is actually going to be big for the cryptocurrency market is actually because of the dominant cryptocurrencies effect, right? We're seeing advancements in networks, advancements in infrastructures relating to big cryptocurrencies. And as we all understand, something good happens to, for example, Bitcoin, is going to be on that positive upward trajectory in the entire cryptocurrency market. Something good happen to Ethereum is going to be on that positive price action in the entire cryptocurrency market. That's why also I'm banking on this domino effect because of these dominant cryptocurrencies out there to ensure that actually we're gonna see also other alternative coins out there and other cryptos out there have their price increase. And I think that's the two examples I've given you. The Vasil fork and also the merge, which is going to be happening in the next few weeks, are going to be the catalyst for the other alternative coins in the market to start seeing their price action increase. By the way, do you think this is going to be possible? And if you've invested in the cryptocurrency market, which cryptos are you banking on? And if you're banking, for example, on, say, for example, Cardano, Solana, for example, banking on maybe even Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and so forth, what do you think is going to be the price of your favorite cryptocurrency come the end of this year, right? What do you think is going to be the price of your favorite cryptocurrency? Drop a comment down below. Let's continue engaging there. Like, for example, how do you think Bitcoin is going to close at? Pundits out here, for example, Bitcoin is going to bounce back to upwards of 50K by the end of the year. You know, some people there are estimating, for example, Ethereum is going to bounce to upwards of 4K by the end of the year, right? People out there are estimating different things based on their interests and also based on their technical and also fundamental analysis, okay? And talking about analysis, the third reason as to why I think also the cryptocurrency market is going to start having a very, very crazy bullish reversal this September is that also, based on technical analysis, a good number of pundits out here agree that actually at the moment, the cryptocurrency market is moving towards that sustained triangle positive price action. The charts and the patterns are actually pinpointing towards a possible formulation of new resistance and support levels in the market. I think at the commencement of September, we're going to see some form of doji, but once these developments kick in, most likely different cryptocurrencies out there and alternative coins are going to form new support levels. And most likely the new support levels are going to be way, way higher than the current levels. And this is going to signify another shift with regards to them investing and price momentum for different cryptocurrencies out there and also alternative coins. And hopefully this is going to be sustained for the rest of the year and also building into next year as the price, we hope they're going to continue increasing. And then the fourth reason as to why I think the cryptocurrency market might just be big in September is because actually companies out there, big institutional investors out there actually pump money into financial markets. Talk about stocks, talk about cryptocurrency, talk about any other financial market out there is when big companies, big investors out there pump money in these markets. And that's all because we're talking about them coming to the end of the year. So they have clear financial picture with regards to how their company is performing, with regards to what amount of money in their company profits are they willing to invest, with regards to what, for example, leverage can they capitalize on to make informed investments out there. So we're going to see big institutional investors out there and also big companies out there start pumping money into the cryptocurrency market. And of course, guys, there is a caveat to this. We've all seen how FUD and wealth in the cryptocurrency market are actually causing distortion in the market. The good thing that with this last quarter of the year, we're going to be having most likely legit companies, legit, for example, investment banks taking action, investing because of goodwill. Not the kind of wealth, for example, we saw the first quarter of the year, who caused the cryptocurrency market actually to crash multiple times, whereby they are moving different monies between different tokens out there, jumping in one, getting out in bulk again. With this, we're going to see those kind of investors who invest for the long term. So hopefully it's going to cause that desired volatility in the market and also that increase in holding, which in aggregate is going to push up the market capitalization of different cryptocurrencies out there and in essence also impact on the price. And then the last reason as to why I think the cryptocurrency market is going to be on a big trend starting in September is that also we're going to see fifth point individuals out there also starting to put money in cryptocurrency, right? And we're talking about the year coming to an end. So in case there are other crypto enthusiasts out there, people who like crypto in general, people have been following crypto news out there, once they start seeing cryptocurrency start increasing in price, chances are these people are also gonna start putting their money in cryptocurrency. They're gonna start putting part of their savings in cryptocurrency. They're gonna start investing. And with this action by individuals, action by big institutional investors out there, actions by company, all this is going to cause a desired volatility in the market, which actually is going to impact on the price positively. What do you think? Personally, what do you think is going to be the outlook of the cryptocurrency market this last quarter of the year? Do you think the month of September is going to be big for cryptocurrency market? If you think so, share with us. But I look forward to what the month of September holds for the cryptocurrency market because of advancements in developments, because of potential of huge institutional investors coming in, and also individuals putting money down on cryptocurrency market. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye bye, and you all take care.